All right, so a lot has happened since I last chimed in with you guys. Made a lot of progress on the machine. True to form, I'm building this thing like a tank, and all my buddies are gonna laugh at me because they think the secret to this is to have it lightweight. I think the secret to it is to have it strong so it doesn't break. Also, a little weight gives you traction. But anyway, irregardless. I've got the frame all made up. This is going to be for the engine cover. It tilts and everything like that. Tilts open. I'll show you that in a minute. But what I'm working on right now is the handlebar system. The other guys are mounting their handlebars way at the back here, and that just requires too much effort to turn the machine. So I am mounting mine pretty close to midships. And I'm going to be mounting it right above one of the suspension bogie systems. The track is going to go up at an angle from this point on. So this is going to work out really good for lifting the machine, the nose of the machine, to get out of stuff. But anyway, this is my design. I'm just using materials I have because I don't want to spend money. It doesn't need to be this heavy. But that's a half-inch plate. I think that's half-inch. That might be... Yeah, that's half-inch. Half-inch steel flat stock that I had in the shop here. So I'm running it across like a brace on the tunnel. That'll help strengthen the tunnel up a little bit, I think. There's going to be a bolt, 2 bolts that go through here, and then 2 bolts that go through here down into the tunnel. But this is my design. This right here is going to be the pivot point, which I'm going to use a piece of black pipe as a pivot, and then I'm going to weld the bar for my handle onto that pipe. Okay. The reason for this is I'm going to have a couple of holes drilled in this upright, which will then allow me to adjust my handle. I pull a pin and I can tilt my handle up for standing up and driving, and I can tilt it down for sitting and driving. The hard part is figuring out what it's up on sawhorses. So it should be sitting on the floor on the track to do this sort of thing. But I'm going to try to do it up on the sawhorses. I think I'm going to put a ladder up behind the unit and stand on the ladder, try to get my feet as even with where I think the bottom of the track is going to be, and then figure out from there. So yeah, that's where I'm at now. I'm just cutting the pipe to length, and yeah, so I'll check in with you in a bit.